Hi, this is Accutek car audio visual in Winchester. This is a nice T6 4Motion. It's the Ocean version, so it's got the full camper conversion. The only thing that lets it down is the media, and the touchscreen had gone faulty in this particular car, so we installed a KENWOOD DMX9724XDS into this. It's a really nice unit. It's a 10.1 inch screen. This is the old unit that was in there. The touchscreen had failed. If I go through a few little options that we've put on this vehicle. So this has got original rear camera on this vehicle. So we've integrated the original rear camera into it. So when it goes into reverse, you get the reverse camera come up. It's a really helpful bit of kit. Also the USB that we've got in here, if you can see the USB socket just there, that is directly connected to the KENWOOD unit as well. So you've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto via that USB. This unit also has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is a nice feature. It's got FM and DAB. And also it all still works with the original, as you can see here, with the original volume control and forward and back track on here, answer and end on that button. If you'd like to have this done in your Transporter T6, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.